Hey you guys, in this video I will be showing you how I do my balloon garlands as well as my mini balloon garlands. So first thing first, my first customer, my first experience, she bent my art. Well, I don't know if she bent it, but somebody bent it. But anyway, this is what prompted this video. I'm trying to see if the arch was still serviceable or usable. So when I do my balloon garlands, I always do my base first and then I add more clusters to make it look fuller. And these are leftover or party woo. And I did use the 10-inch balloons to build my base. I think Party Woo comes with 18-inch, 12-inch, 10-inch, and then the 5-inch balloons. So again, I do use the 10-inch balloons for my base. This was actually a 9-minute clip, but I sped it up so it wouldn't be a long video. But it's a lot of going back and forth when you're doing balloon garlands to make sure that you like what you see. So now that I like this, we'll start on the mini balloon garland, y'all. Balloons I've been had crazy. Oh, and for attaching my balloons to like the balloon garland, I use either 260s or the rubber bands. I use rubber bands. Okay, so right here I'm just showing you guys that the balloons do not have to be the same size, y'all. I bought the balloon little sizer thingy. Don't even use it. Just put the balloons up, girl. So after you have 2 balloons, you would then add your 260. So if you have a balloon that's a vertical, you want to lay the second balloon horizontal and then tie it one time, or wrap the balloon or the 260 balloon around the balloon and then turn it. I don't know how to explain doing the mini balloon garland, so I need to find a better way, but it's not hard once you grasp the concept. It's like you add a balloon, wrap the 260 balloon around it, turn it, grab another balloon, place it down, turn. I don't know how to explain it, y'all. I gotta do a better video. I'm sorry. Okay, so I do have to find a better way to explain this and do a better video, but for now, don't go nowhere. Just watch me make the little mini balloon garland. Okay, hold on. So when you run out of your 260 balloon, you just attach another 260 balloon to it. I can explain that. Now that I can do, okay? And you just keep building or adding balloons until you have your desired size. Now for the mini balloon garland or the gold balloons, I did not have enough of the gold balloons, but I did want to add another mini balloon garland, but I didn't have enough balloon. Using what I got to get what I want, okay? And while we're here, thank you guys. Thank you for everyone that has subscribed. Thank you so much. I greatly appreciate it. My goal was to hit 1,000 subscribers before 2024 ended. I don't think it's going to happen, but we're a step closer. So I really appreciate you guys. Thank you. Okay, so now that the mini balloon garland is finished, I'm just putting it up there to see what it looks like. And I did go back and add more balloons. So to attach the mini balloon garland to your garland, you just used I use a 260 balloon, y'all. And this is the final result. It's all right. It's not my best. I wish I had more gold balloons, but for the purpose of checking the arch and putting out content, here you are.